In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quizzes in Google Classroom. Start by opening Google Classroom and heading to your course homepage. From there, enter the class where you want the quiz to live. Along the top, switch to the Classwork tab. This is where all assignments, materials, and quizzes are organized, which makes it easier for students to find them later. In the Classwork view, select the Create button and choose Quiz Assignment. This option automatically attaches a blank Google form set up for quizzing, so you can build your questions right away without starting from scratch. Give your assignment a clear, descriptive title your students will recognize. In the instructions box, briefly explain what the quiz covers, how you want students to complete it, and any guidelines they should follow. Keeping this concise but specific reduces questions later and helps learners stay on track. Next, open the attached Google form to build the quiz. At the top of the form, add a title. It's a good idea to match or mirror the assignment title so everything stays consistent between the form and Classroom. Now add your first question, type your prompt, then choose the answer type that fits what you're assessing. For open-ended responses or short essays, select the paragraph option. This gives students room to write fuller explanations and makes it easier for you to evaluate understanding, not just recall. Once your form looks good, publish your changes. Click Publish, then confirm by clicking Publish again. This ensures the latest version of your quiz is saved and linked back to the Classroom assignment so students see exactly what you prepared. Return to the assignment details in Classroom to schedule it. Set the due date so learners know when it's expected. Click the calendar control to open the date picker. Choose the date that works for your class timeline and confirm by selecting OK. Setting the due date here helps students keep track of deadlines in Google Classroom and on their calendars. When everything is ready, assign the quiz to your class. Click Assign to post it immediately. Your quiz is now visible in the Classwork tab, and students can open it, complete the questions in the Google form, and submit before the due date. That's all it takes to create and share a quiz in Google Classroom smoothly and confidently.